Dear supervisors of the College of Physicians Surgeons Pakistan, this video has been developed for you in order to sensitize you to the concept and conduct of workplace-based assessment. CPSP, in order to implement competency-based education in true letter and spirit, is introducing workplace-based assessment in addition to institutional or departmental assessments from 2023. The workplace-based assessment is a formative assessment, and its distinguishing feature is that it involves observing the trainee's performance in an actual workplace setting and providing relevant feedback, thereby promoting learning and reflective practice. The workplace-based assessment encompasses various assessment methods used to evaluate trainees' performance in clinical settings, such as mini clinical evaluation exercise, direct observation of procedure skills, case-based discussion, mini peer assessment tool, multi-source feedback, team assessment of behavior, procedure-based assessment, and objective structured assessment of technical skills. To begin with, college is introducing mini CEX and DOPS to ensure that the graduates are fully equipped with their clinical competencies. Mini CEX is a formative assessment on skills essential to the provision of good clinical care by observing an actual clinical encounter, for example, history taking, physical examination, counseling, etc. Whereas DOPS is used for assessing competence in short practical procedures. The nomenclature of these tools may vary as per your specialty needs. Each mini CX or DOPS encounter extends for about 20 minutes with 5 minutes for feedback and further action plan. The guidelines, topics, assessment forms, and schedule of the prescribed workplace-based assessments are available on the residence as well as on the supervisor's e-portal. Frequency of required encounters is separately specified for each specialty. However, general rule is completion of minimum 1 mini clinical evaluation exercise and 1 DOPS per quarter. Your role as an assessor or supervisor is very important in carrying out the prescribed workplace-based assessment during the residence training. Your resident has the onus to report to you when he or she is prepared to appear for either mini CX or DOPS. You can then arrange a one-to-one session of workplace-based assessment for your resident or may identify the assessor. Assessor can be resident supervisor or someone else, but should be trained in the use of tools and have expertise in the area being assessed. Direct observation of the resident during the session followed by provision of constructive feedback are key to conducting a successful encounter. Assuring patient consent and safety is essential. After completing the session, you should retrieve prescribed assessment form on the e-portal, fill it, and make entries online. In case of unsatisfactory performance of the resident, a remedial will have to be arranged upon resident's readiness within the stipulated time frame. Non-compliance by the resident has to be reported in his or her quarterly feedback. Let's walk you through your e-portal where you can access the workplace-based assessment forms, topics and guidelines as well as make online entries of the session that has been conducted. As you log into your e-portal, you will find a folder on your dashboard named Workplace-Based Assessment. Once you open this folder, there will be 3 tabs, one for Mini CX, one for DOPS, and the third one for uploading filled and scanned assessment forms. We will now give a demonstration on how to make digital entries. Let us take the example of Mini CX. Once you click this folder, you will find few tabs on the top of the screen. One of the tabs is for assessment form, another for guidelines, including topics. These can be easily downloaded as you click on them. The most important task to be performed by the supervisor is to make digital entries of the resident's performance on workplace-based assessment. This can be done via clicking the Add button that also appears on top of your screen. On pressing the Add button, a new screen opens up whereby starting with the specialty name, you will have to one by one open the drop-down menu of each parameter and click on the appropriate entry. The fields marked with the red asterisk are mandatory to be filled, and certain entries will have to be manually entered. Once you press the Submit button, the entry would be completed for the encounter and automatically be sent to the resident's e-portal. The same method is to be followed for making DOPS entries. For any assistance required or problem faced, the supervisor may contact CPSP IT Department or Department of Medical Education on the email address given. Thank you and wish you good luck on behalf of the President and Council of CPSP.